Welcome again to Androidiya. Uploading a lot of videos on your YouTube channel will not increase your watch time hours and will not grow your channel anymore. Find out the right way how to grow your channel and have a lot of views. Today's video is crazy, guys. I'm going to share with you my way, what I do to have a lot of views on my YouTube channel. So this is one of my friends' video. The video is awesome, but because lack of SEO score and because he don't put the right keywords, people cannot reach or can't find this video because there is no SEO score. How people can find this video? So before everything, you have to go to your Vidiq account, sign in with the, as I told you, with that Gmail that you created your YouTube channel on. So just sign up. Then you will see this dashboard. Just go and search a keyword or a title for your videos so people can find you from that keyword. You know what I mean? This is one of my videos. I'm going to find a right keyword, a right name, title for this specific video. So just from keywords, find this keyword, a suitable keywords that have medium competition and a lot of score. So it is more searchable. Now this video has 2 views and I'm going to grab that link and put it in my browser and see how score this video has. So let's see. As I told you, TubeBuddy and Vidiq are so important to grow your channel and see these scores. Those who have no idea about Vidiq, it is a free extension, guys, and you can sign up with your Gmail that you have created your YouTube channel on and just sign up. It has a free plan and has a paid plan. You can start with free plan. Once your channel started grow up, you can go with paid plan. Got it? And this is TubeBuddy. Also, it is free extension. I'm going to share and list all of the websites that I'm talking about in this video in the description, so just go ahead and take them easily and grab them and follow the steps and you will have a lot of good views, guys. Believe me, I applied the right way on this video, so I'm having a good score and good views. But on this video I didn't follow any rules, so I have bad score and bad views. Let's change this score, so just follow the steps. First, find a title, a keyword that people search a lot about it and has low competition or medium competition. In my case, I will grab a high competition keyword since I have good views on my channel. It depends on your channel, so if you have good views, go with high competition keywords. If you don't, so just go with medium or low competition keywords. If there are only high and very high keywords, go with high keywords and leave very high keywords, because very high keywords only for top channels. Now this keyword or this title is so searchable. People are searching about it. And just copy the title, the new title, and paste it in this website. I will leave the link of this website in the description. So just paste the title, and you can paste any title that you choose for your videos. And so once you put your keyword or your title, it will generate tags for your title. Those tags will increase your SEO YouTube score and increase your views. Remove unwanted keywords, repeated keywords are not matching with your title, so remove all of them, then save the changes. Now let's refresh and see the new scores. I'm waiting. Waiting. Those who are using them phones to upload videos on them channels, you can download this app. It will help you to generate a lot of tags, and it is so useful. And there is another website you can generate tags and have a lot of tags and keywords from them. It has a free plan, paid plan. I'm going to leave the link of this website in the description, so just go ahead and get it if you want. Don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any comment and if you'd like to say anything, I'm here. I will reply, and I'd like to help you guys. Thanks for watching.